Hello, folks. This is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is September 28, 2021. Let's do a quick prep for the market today and see what we can buy. So, with that, today we got a lower opening indicated by S&P 500 futures, Nasdaq futures, Dow Jones Industrial Average futures, as well as Russell 2000. All of them are pointing to a mild lower opening today, so we can take advantage of this lower opening, buy some good quality stocks. As you see here, S&P 500 as well as Nasdaq are a little more weaker with the two down days, whereas Dow Jones and Russell are a little stronger. I think only one down day here. So with that, let's jump in here. Look at quality beaten down stocks that we can buy today and go from there. Here I got a chart for you, and this chart is sorted by 5-day return here. In last 5 days, these stocks have lost the most. Stock at the top here, EAR, lost 66% of the value in last 5 days. So I love to look at such names here, see if there is a small bounce. So even though stock is dropped so much, there is a small improvement yesterday. Stock tried to go up here. I would like to see such names where there's a huge drop in 5 day, but there is a small improvement. Also look at other scenarios like fundamentals and see what's worth buying here. So at these levels, I love EAR stock. Institutions are buying EAR and nice gross margin, 71%. Right now, company is not making money. A low RSI stock is completely sold off here. Institutions have got good backing here, 78% holding. And then we got short ratio relatively high. So I would take advantage of this situation of completely oversold here and a little higher short ratio and low float and buy some EAR at these levels. And then you got your INNV, Age, $7 stock. As you scan through, this has got a high short ratio of 13% and stock float is very less here, and stock is sold off 44% in a 5 day. I would take advantage of this situation also and buy some INNV here. And we got few more as we scan through. We got uh, NUVL, $23 stock. Stock has sold off completely, 34% drop. There is no float here. There is no more supply of the stock here. I think that's a good scenario. The stock can go up, already indicated by a raise in yesterday here. I think this is a good one too. As you scan through here, we got a few more. You can look through this. When the IV percentile is high, like 80 US here, think of, if you're an options trader, you could sell some put option underneath and make some money that way. Typically, I would not, venture and buy too much of the stock here when the IV percentile is high. Instead, I would sell some put option, and also it's okay to buy slowly and accumulate some, but don't be too aggressive in buying when the volatility is high. And you could look at other names like IRNT, same story, $25 stock, high percentile. You could take advantage here, sell some premium put option underneath the stock price, and you could also buy some stocks slowly into this weakness. And we got One Life, same story, stock is sold off and high short ratio. You could take advantage of this also by selling some premium put option underneath the current stock price or buying stock outright. And some stocks, as you can see here, IRNT, institutions are buying now. They're taking advantage of stock being sold off here. We could buy along with the institutions here. Same story with PNT here, as well as Summit. We could buy both at these levels here and take advantage. I love Summit here because insiders are also buying. That tells the conviction here, and institutions are also buying. As you scan through, stock is sold off heavily and low RSI. You could take advantage of that situation here. And we got few more as you scan through. All are sold off big time here, low RSI. Some stocks like CFMS, $1 stock, nice sales growth here and good gross and net margin. That's a good one to buy. Low dollar stock here, and a short ratio is not much. That's okay. And I love Berkeley also here. Berkeley is a good biotech stock here. Institutions are buying 10%. high short ratio 9%, you could take advantage of that, and a low RSI. Berkeley is a $21 stock. You could also sell some put option given IV percentile a little higher and take advantage of that. And we got Aura Sure here. Nice fundamentals as you can scan through here. And stock is sold off with the RSI 47. You could do that one too. And China data again, good play here with the institutions buying and high short ratio. And we also have one more here, Fulcrum. This used to be a very high flyer a while ago. Right now, $27 stock here. I would take advantage of this situation here and buy some Fulcrum at these levels here. And then we got in NOTV here, $32 stock. Institutions are buying big time. RSI is low here, 51, and I would stock is sold off. I would buy this one too. So I would also look at other names here and buy slowly into this weakness and go from there. As usual, look for institutions buying. If you're a fundamentally inclined investor, look for nice sales growth quarter over quarter and nice gross margin, rule of 40 as indicated by ATUS, 1M, and Canon, and so on and so forth. Those are the little better candidates from a fundamental perspective. Coupled with the low RSI and high short ratio, those are the candidates for a good short swing or a short squeeze type scenario here. Put option sellers, look at IV percentile here. If the IV percentile is high, RSI is low, you could sell some put option if there is a good premium. Otherwise, if you're option buyer, pay attention to low RSI as well as low IV percentile. So with that, let's look at a few more names here. We got a few more names where stocks are sold off in last 5 days, as you can see here. And also in many names here like Sentinel. I love Sentinel here. This has a potential to become next CrowdStrike. Insiders are buying heavily here. I think we should buy Sentinel along with the insiders and hold a nice position here. It's a great stock. And as you scan through here, we got Kodak. This goes up and down wildly. Right now, stock is down. I would, use this as a trading stock and take it from there. And GNOG, I think institutions are buying here. And as you scan through here, stock is sold off, low RSI. You could do that one too. And we got a few more. DraftKings completely sold out here. I would buy some DraftKings along with BNTX, which is also sold off. And we got MYPS, a $4 stock here, as well as ZLab. And we got HUMA here. Again, institutions are buying. Look for strong fundamentals here where quarter over quarter sales growth plus gross margin greater than 40. I would look at names like AXDX here and DCBO and so on and so forth. Even Deckers for that matter. Nice fundamentals here. And if you're a short squeeze type person, look for high short ratio here. AXDX, high short ratio, low RSI. I think that's a winning combination here with a nice sales growth here. You could, you could have an appreciation here and a nice swing trade opportunity. And we got here Peloton, same story, high short ratio and low RSI. This can also create a nice swing trading opportunity and a short squeeze scenario. And Peloton also has a nice sales growth, as you can see here. Fundamentally a good company here. So with that, let's look at a few more names here. Follow same methodology. Look for what institutions are doing, what insiders are doing. For example, AFIB, nice institution buy here, low RSI. And as you scan through, stock is sold off nicely in the last 10 days and 5 days. You could buy slowly into this weakness. And we got a few more names like Talk, same story with Talk. And we got UPH, nice institution buy here, low RSI. And few more names like SOS. This has been down for a long time. Maybe it's okay to venture in slowly. Looks like institutions are warming up to SOS here. And we've got Bitcoin mining company, BTCM. Institutions are buying, taking advantage of this huge crypto drop. I think we should buy along with the institutions here. And look for nice fundamentals, rule of 40, PSNL. Nice fundamentals as you can see here. Sales growth plus gross margin greater than 40. Same story with the Smile Direct here, as well as Rare. It's again a good company here. We should look at this one too. And we got Safe, nice fundamentals here. I think we should look at such strong candidates and look for a short ratio, for example, a option, a short squeeze type trading here. We got some scenarios, SBTX here, SDC, high short ratio, coupled with the low RSI. I think those are the good candidates here. We've got few more here, high short ratio, OLK here, high short ratio, low RSI, as well as we got SEMR, same story, high short ratio, low RSI. And we got two more here with the sauce as well as BTCM. Nice situations for a swing trading short squeeze type opportunity. And if you're an option seller, especially put option seller, look for high IV percentile and low RSI. Stocks like PSNL, you could make some money by selling put options here. And same story with the Smile Direct. Smile Direct, I think it's a low price stock. There is no premium. I would pass that over, buy the stock instead. But if you look at other stocks like, let's see, Rare, you could make some money selling some put option underneath the stock price, take advantage of high IV percentile and low RSI situation here. And same story with let's see, this is not too much premium here. You could look at Safe, same story, high IV percentile, low RSI. You could sell some put option beneath the stock price and make some money that way. So with that, let's see if you have one more chart here. You could look at these names also, same methodology, look for what institutions are doing. Example, WDH, Amwell, this has been beaten down for so long. I think it's good to buy some Amwell also here. TLS, VTNR, NEGG, and we got PACB as well as BYRN. Look at such strong candidates, look for sales growth and gross margin, and good candidates are like AGTI, nice sales growth, gross margin, satisfies rule of 40, along with AMED, and we got a few more names with strong fundamentals here, satisfies rule of 40. You could look at those candidates also. If you are a short squeeze type person, look for high short ratio. Names like Chudel here, Satisfy here, high short ratio, low RSI. You could go with such scenarios and buy slowly. And we got cases like Good RX down for so long. It's showing some improvement off late here. I would wait for a little pullback here and buy Good RX here. And right trade you could buy right now itself, high short ratio, low RSI. Along with we got OMER, same situation here. I would do same thing here, as well as Chewy. Chewy is down so big, high short ratio, low RSI. I think it's a good one to buy the stock outright here. And options traders look for high IV percentile. If you're a put option seller, look for high IV percentile and low RSI. So that way stock can go up and you can make money with your premiums. Example, we got here Amwell. I think this one probably you don't get too much premium here given stock price is low. But as you look at stocks like GoodRx, you could make some money here by selling some put option underneath the stock price. Take advantage of high IV percentile. And as you scan through here, we got BYRN, same scenario, high IV percentile, low RSI. You could sell some put option underneath the stock price, make some money that way. And you could also do same thing in OSH, high IV percentile, low RSI. You could sell some put option underneath the stock price and make some premium that way. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. And we'll also do quickly one or two stocks looking at their chart and see if it's good to buy. So with that, let's jump in here and go into few stocks. First, let's look at EAR, completely sold off as we talked about. So as we look through here, stock is down big, huge drop here. Stock is down. Chart is ugly. Only silver lining here is people are buying the stock right now. On the balance volume is moving up, and check-in money flow is also moving up. That tells you even though stock is oversold completely, smart money is flowing in. I think you should buy along with this smart money here. And next we'll look at INNV. So let's look at the ticker symbol quickly, INNV. Yep. So INNV here, it's again stock has dropped off as you can see here, big time. Right now it's trying to improve, consolidate. Chart is ugly right now. Only silver lining is smart money is flowing in slowly, and check-in money flow is also indicating smart money is flowing into the stock. That's why I would buy slowly into INNV, take advantage of this weakness. Next is IRNT. So IRNT, huge drop as you can see here. It's into 50-day moving average right now. Smart money is flowing in here, indicated by on the balance volume, as well as here we got check-in money flow showing pretty steady here. And stock is still bullish. I'm surprised to see here, as you can see here, the blue line is above red line. I would take advantage of this situation and slowly buy IRNT here. And next is LZ. So LZ legal zoom, as you can see, a stock is sold off big time. One nice green candle here showing some strength. Look at the shape of the green candle here. We got big wick here and a nice body here. That tells you buyers are buying it, indicated by body here. And even though stock went low, it came up and closed higher. That's a good indication here. And also right now chart is ugly, indicated by red line above green line, but smart money is flowing in, indicated by check-in money flow. Out by LZ here. Let's look at one more, Berkeley Lights, biotech company. Stock is sold off as you can see here. Chart is ugly right now, bearish, red line above green line, blue line here. Smart money is thinking where to go, slowly buying slowly. Out by Berkeley here along with this smart money here. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.